Start.
Samsung Galaxy Note 2 S Pen tutorial. Samsung has already introduced a stylish S Pen with some additional features in Samsung Galaxy Note 2. I'll quickly show you how to use those features. The S Pen is located at the back side of the phone. As when we remove S Pen, the S Note appears, which allow you quickly write some information and save it. But if you want to disable that or add more features to the S Pen, go to the settings. As you can see, search for S Pen. Dominant hand. The first is dominant hand, allow you to switch on the right and left hand behavior of the phone. As you can select any of the options, whichever you are comfortable, left hand or right hand. I have selected right hand. Pen attached and detached sound. Allows you to get the sound information or sound indication when the pen is removed from the dock. I have already set it to the sound 3. Open pop-up note. Open pop-up note, enabling or disabling the note that appears on the home screen when you remove the S Pen. As you can disable if you want to disable it. When you remove S Pen, the pop-up note won't appear on the home screen. Battery saving. Disabling S Pen detection when the pen is attached can extend battery life. Now let's talk about S Pen Keeper. S Pen Keeper is just nothing. It's a sound alert that and show pop-up when walk with the device without attaching the S Pen. If you forgot the S Pen somewhere, it will keep on informing you about that the S Pen is missing from your device. Let's talk about air view. When the pen nib is held near the screen for a while, the pen view features, you can disable air view as well. As you can see, like, you cannot see the dotted point on the home screen. If you enable it, as you can see, there is a dot on the home screen whenever you move your S Pen. Sound and haptic feedback. Now let's talk about gesture. Quick command settings. Create S Pen gestures to open, select applications or perform tasks. And the last option is S Pen help. When you click on S Pen, you can see the rest of the options like air view, gestures and quick commands. This will give you a lot of information regarding S Pen, how to use S Pen on Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Thank you.